Now, Central New York's most accurate forecast.
And almost 6:42 now on this early Sunday evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed in for Johnny Visquale this evening. We're taking a look first things first at our Pompey camera right now, which is showcasing a lot of sunshine, some mid and high level clouds out there, but that is not the case everywhere. We'll get to where that is coming up in just a second. Well, let's take a look first things first at the New York State Measurement reporting sites. Temperatures out there right now, you can definitely tell where we've had some more clouds and even some showers, even a few storms earlier today, with temperatures both toward our northwest and down toward our southeast that are in the middle and upper 60s. The Port City of Oswego is 64 right now, but in between you've got locations like Jordan that are at or above 70 at the current time. Temperatures overnight tonight going to be fairly seasonable, a degree or two shy of average for this time of year. That puts us in the middle and if not the upper 50s out there, with a lot of clouds, even some showers and a southwesterly breeze at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, what about temperatures over the next couple of days? Thanks to the clouds and the showers, they're going to remain a bit on the cool side, even though we'll see some humidity on top of it to start the work week. Temperatures in the upper 60s to the lower end mid 70s for the start of the Great New York State Fair on Wednesday, and for Thursday, for that matter, we'll get back into the lower, if not the mid 80s, and then we're not far from 80 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but the difference is that we'll have some wet weather in between that. Now, what about the humidity? As I just mentioned, we'll be dealing with dew points between 60 and 65, maybe close to that as we head into Monday. Same thing for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then out ahead of our next cold front for Thursday and Friday, bringing us some showers and storms. It looks like we'll be dealing with dew points between 65 and 70 before they go back down for the 50s for the start of next weekend. Some showers and storms from earlier this afternoon have weakened and moved off toward the east, but we're dealing with another batch moving through Rochester, Albion, and Batavia right now. That'll be with us through about 7, 8, 9, 10 p.m. this evening. And the culprit for all of this wet weather is an area of low pressure that is moving up through Ontario, Canada right now, but will sit and spin as it continues to move its way off toward our north and east before high pressure through the midsection of the country returns for the middle of the week, which is some good news there. First things first, Timecast showing us overnight tonight that we will be dealing with partly to mostly cloudy skies. And again, that shower or thunderstorm earlier this evening, one or two of those could produce some heavier downpours and some gusty winds, but I don't expect any widespread severe weather. As we head through tomorrow morning, we'll be dealing with some spotty showers, but most of the mid to late morning into the early afternoon looks dry. And then as we head from west to east, as we head through your afternoon, you will notice the redevelopment of some showers. So because of the cloudy skies and those showers, temperatures running about 10 degrees shy of average for this time of year will be, again, in the upper 60s to the low and mid 70s if we're lucky. A little bit warmer as you head through Tuesday, but still a bit on the cool side with a few showers. And then Wednesday looks great for the start of the Great New York State Fair with a mix of sun and clouds, Elliott, and highs in the low 80s. Back to you in the meantime.
Wrapping up